but abina bone intino. Oh yeah, a juma na wasa pe. GRA for sababe gu adwuma. Na bro ni no amano save heaven. Wakacho say we free zone. And today protect no me free zone no munchia tax. Be 5 years no munchia tax. So timi de ko yenchia. Na Ghana ni na wa bi adwuma no. Yes GRA levy kwa hwan ya tum unchia ye. Nti na che.
Na we Ghana ni we adwuma na mbozo to tax.
No.
Eto na ere chechiro.
Let me tell you. Tax no Ghana ni na do
I was a woman in Amakwa by the bag Ghana and CMTV. So, Bomani so like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend notification. Then next time, videos of this channel also submit to my camp. Same when you on the piano. If I'm Mr. President, to for Mr. President, and I just somehow say, Madaroma. Now, Bomani so like video, no subscribe to the channel. Come on, my favorite. By chance, you would want to contribute to our studio work, sir. Being it sound, internet, lights, everything. But you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can better was a pound. So.
But abina bone intino. Oh yeah, a juma na wasa pe. GRA for sababe gu adwuma. Na bro ni no amano save heaven. Wakacho say we free zone. And today protect no me free zone no munchia tax. Be 5 years no munchia tax. So timi de ko yenchia. Na Ghana ni na wa bi adwuma no. Yes GRA levy kwa hwan ya tum unchia ye. Nti na che.
Na we Ghana ni we adwuma na mbozo to tax.
No.
Eto na ere chechiro.
Let me tell you. Tax no Ghana ni na do kwa asori a wonchia. De nti no mutimi ye contribution. Me kwa asori a. Itimi ye contribution I can contribute maybe 10,000 or something. But it be a 200 cedis na wo jeme no. Eye me ya. Not because me I pay my tax.
Yeah.
But here me ya ne say obi bedi.
Ana asa ohunu say abrofo bi so abagana omo ye adwuma ni ba ya mo fom ho adi.
Now we call China more ni hwan na say for ne ye you know be kon na protect you. The point is that you to know so ni adwuma na oti wa enyoma bebre ko ni trim e komo ya enti woten kan na oti air condition mu a wo ka say no ano no me de enti a e ma menya ahomaso is because when I see the share tech jansis here ye ma minimum bi eso enyoma
nsuo na so mo no
9 10 11
nsuo so to ba kwa 5
obi tonso bolo esini 3 so chance obenya kakra na ade a chia o de amane ba mana ko school. I know what I'm talking about.
Sachet water no top, you top about 50%.
So be cry na anopa, and then maybe anopa insu nyunu nam say, hey, so we the one benom because anopa insu. But I was so na share ade ni mu du na eso no.
Oh,
obi su watermelon. Sorry anopa. Kakra. Na yese tete no. Si kan ye gia na yese di.
Atanko for you to tax.
Obeko na di wokodu adum ni ho amane na se ye jeje
ade no mokoto no tax also
enti simple thing aba wontimi mfom nyina adwuma metwam wo kenu ese ba bia enkra na isua akwakocha and all those enom dia kakra no mu yi obewie no nya adwuma anye enso de bia ye import $300 million of fish. So when me say unemployed say your tom forms na just na me ya
ahun say ni kwa sanke ton forms.
The point is that me ahomete say aban forswa say police, immigration, military and no bia person woko you're too comfortable.
Yeah, me catch on say ngofo be ko mo apply for police, military and man they are not even cut for that job. But they all can. There are no options on the market. Ejuma ni ho. It is police recruitment because Jantua or Moses Kakere ko apply the info. To no ideally akonya na so be police ni. And you see as the long term effect to is that we have incompetent people failing our security agencies. And I said it is happening. Yes. And I won't who they were see be acting. Because so the answer can come onya na so person so jani nursing, the quality of nursing. What I say on person nurse but nurse they look at the quality of nursing. Look at the quality. What I'm just saying is that governments must expand and create. And see, Nana Akufo-Addo one this one factory no was a brilliant idea. But the implementation here and so imagine if we had more companies. I am more soft loan. You create enabling environment.
Samuel Jo Mahama de 24-hour economy ebe. Na what creates our incentives no?
The 24-hour economy can address that.
Yes, sir. Se factory ni wo ho. Na enwumre onim say electricity bo be cost from.
Tax wo form.
Tax wo form.
Security tight.
O de nyoma bi ba ya wave you off.
About to na expand for enwumre adwuma. Okay.
I can pick a lot of people.
There's no company organ out here 300 Ghana cedis a month.
What?
Oh, really?
Share.
Minyini.
Oh my ya companies now mo here no mo soup ni ne sanyo manya ko bi so mo.
300 Ghana.
300. Omo share minimum wage no. Yes.
Hey, kwa minyini.
I'm telling you.
Me Judy papa say we can kwa minyini. Subscribers say no kra mo na munya mo comment mami.
Ye tie bi ka 300, 350, 400.
A day dem gitu yeah.
A month.
30 days.
350, 500, 600, 550.
Now, I'm going to show you breakfast. And
I said, ebi kra je we ye adwuma ni didi ni ama ne 1,000. Ti se tua kapa no na 1,000.
1,000 Ghana.
1,000 Ghana a month.
And Ghana za hochira wa hapa.
Say 1,000 those are now. She na say Zoom line for no one dey na etutu ka. 180 na 200 na one why. Zoom line nkofu ya.
But you enye boss maybe a week.
Me say a month.
1 month.
Yes.
Subscribers say ampa. Aseme dem nyini o. Na aditina before be adwuma na twa na ka 300 Ghana a month.
All that the interest in say weekend ni beduru. Ni aswa ye say ye wudifo ama DC weekends no. Ye timi de pep student bear 10 ni aka bom. Ni amane brush bear 10.
Na za man allowance.
Ni amane allowance. Ni amane sika, ni amane hwan weekend no on for paste no. Onu ko paste obetwetwe ne sesen.
Yeah, ni mo Ghana how?
Just say say and
who subscriber no here news na make can say finance ministry am a financial clearance of only 5,000 slots security agencies no. Interior ministry a be application nipa 500,000 and I apply. Are you not alarmed? Nipa 500,000 I apply adwuma 5,000 pay the benya masa 5,000 for 500,000 percentage ni say em say na 1% to yeah ready go for hey Ghana and just like Jantua is saying these people probably were forced to apply into the various security agencies because you've not supported the private sector to employ them. I am telling you say most of these people from the 500,000 group no and yeah omuni o papa so be police soldier ara so mako immigration adwuma ni hontia na omo ye a printing press publishers imagine say 24-hour economy and that's really key yashemu kena taxes about form say they work carry about soft policies na for the printing press na operate in the night Joshua about 8 to 5 p.m. Steve Zando so about 5 to 10 p.m. At maybe no 5 to 8 p.m. no make ma ko job abotenye sa na we no because job Jantua office before na ko printing press because 24-hour economy you know and you may printing press ni yejuma. Because you ADDO I think say Mahama the 24-hour economy no you show kina
President Mahama must give more incentive to TVET technical vocational no must create more opportunities for that free senior high school na ye TVET na wasa wo ye investing more
are hono ye more months adwuma
because TVET na ma wo ye professional fitting plumbing because the issue has taken is say aban nim say adwuma ni ho aban nim say ni base no obetimi afaka krea bi na make say essence say ya kwadro no we promise employment into the government sector but abroche government sector no yi esau
you empower private sector
with less burden
create that conducive atmosphere
less burden
originally omo attracting kwasiafo say bi omo muntimi use o ma de omo wo low IQ and party no so deliberately it take time and make conscious effort to recruit say bi omo agimi omo ba social media omo metimi aka kwasiasem na omo train you omo wi na omo to omo social media say omo be di atam na omo nka nsem fun emfa nsem ankrofo posti about NDC party na NDC aban na enko yi emo because na me video bi na me chirichi mu how NDC aban in 1 year pay about be $11.39 billion ye nim ni omo de aye na message obenya abotre na wako video no na wahwe comment section hono na NDC for no mo be comment ye no omo kae ebi se NDC mo obesia da ebi kra say menchire bank ko a NDC aban ne bo obesia ebi nso timi ka say the entire 2025 no NDC aban na amfa any loan agreement and call parliament for approval nti omo bo obesia da che say ignorant comment that say bi yense bi anim comment akoda onim hwe kra make it say Jimisa. But you see, we free education. I'm a baby mom. This is the last time I will do this. Into Munti and Munti ni. Most NDC more beside that since I'm mobile bem. But a few weeks ago, I told force the finance minister can say under this useless NDC government, so mobile to me tria government workers crackran. I just saw my quack about Bessia. Now in 1 year, we bought Bessia 1.17 billion Ghana cedis. Eddie tria abaya juma for tria pay. That's it, like paying of government worker salary. 17 billion Ghana cedis converted by US dollars. We are talking about somewhere 1.7 billion US dollars. But that is not even the point. The Bible tell how NDC are buying about 11.9 billion US dollars a car. Check. Ekufado efri abem. Ekufado efri abem. Now your debt stock and number 48 billion US dollars. And I mean, no one can say your debt stock a free aqua could do 61.3 billion or so US dollars. Yeah, ended 2025 December. December 2025 December.
Look at the kind of water. Mensa sa banana no more. Look at the kind of water. Castle Hereford nana no more. Look at the kind of water. ADDO and nana no more. In 21st century. 21st century. Fire mamua ye buya. Yenuanom northness abba deep positions of power. More. Ironically, when you give them power, instead of them to use it to help their people, omodi yake someone cry. Mekai. Wa bufu mabunfu menuanom notness enya tumi si ya mo tumi se wo di speaker of parliament yo so wo di president yo uchemu yie pa no a wo munya positions of power ya mo akwanya so mo nko mo krom no mko develop a no mo di si dan kase ya rema kase nkran enso me ne wo mienu kase yi ensuo amanfo no nomo ensuo amanfo no enom no ensuo amanfo no enom ne omone na ntwe na enom
and now Sika involved in this scandal 11 million choppable Ghana cedis. Ghana for taxes on my teacher Momo some money tuama. This useless NDC government a 11 million Ghana cedis na kwa kudin krofu butum na asefem. Na kwanya Sika efa suko din krofu butum through the usual chronism, conflict of interest. Any the famous create loot and share a characteristic of this useless NDC government. Omo de be omo ba be man, omo be create normal loot, normal share. Omo de ni omo ya ni se won change the oman sika. Omo tana dem no ma cookie niama, no match oman Ghana sika dim. So basically, sa kwan na the old ways and omo use ya 11 million Ghana cedis. Akwa kudin krofo bobotom na characters are involved a oma bo Ghana for krono we oma di Ghana for dream we Sami Jenfi oye gold board CEO ana ni otosu mienu Stanlogbe currently oye deputy chief of staff onu anso na owner of Wezo Group Company sa Wezo Group Company no omo na Wezo TV omo dia. Na we omo use omo subsidiary bi a no Koreka Ghana Limited and omo di Ghana for dream we na yen nsem na se mame nko nsem no into details na etiase baby a every any baby akwa akoduro na kai se me say epanya asa dream yi efa so by a conflict of interest and a create loot and share and a chronism. Now mobeka ya na na do dan kwakufuado aban esi a very big edifice Edema Bank of Ghana. So I dine for na one cry. Am I crying for na ham? It is somewhere 2024 and a Bank of Ghana for free on old building and course a new building. Now NDC bar power. How more appointed Sami Jenfi as good board CEO no. And as Sami Jenfi yes almost be free on old building Ako Bank of Ghana. Old building na free mono. Now, muntie ni hana create loot and share ni woman. Sa Bank of Ghana office no move free mono. A well structured. Building integrity intact. Oma fixing yema won't be chesed bibia ye correct woman. Any company ebitimi aye adwuma wo ma wombre. But Sabi Jemfi said, "Unya 11 million